How to send large video files on Facebook Messenger. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can send the large video files on Facebook Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually send the large video files on Facebook Messenger already supports large video files. So in this case, if you go ahead and select any person that maybe you want to send anything to, after that you can simply tap on the photos icon that you'll be able to find here and allow the access to your photos. So right here, if I select 1 minute video or even 5 minutes video, I will actually be able to send them on Messenger without any sort of issue, because Messenger does already support it by default, which means you don't have to rely on all the third-party ways that they give you in order to do this process. So hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.